In today's video, I'm going to teach you bulk add assignees in Clickup. How to add assignees to Clickup in Builk. If you're managing a lot of tasks in Clickup and need to assign them quickly, this walkthrough will help you do it cleanly and confidently. We'll focus on getting to the right place in your workspace and using the column header checkbox to select everything you need in one go so you're set up for fast bulk assignment. First, head to your selected space. This is the top level area in Clickup where your work lives. You'll see spaces in the left sidebar. Choose the one that contains the tasks you want to update. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct space and the right view where your tasks are visible. Spaces can contain folders and lists, so make sure you're looking at the section that actually holds the items you intend to modify. If your team uses multiple spaces with similar names, glance at the space color or icon to avoid mix-ups. Also, ensure you have the proper permission level to change assignees in this space. If you can normally assign tasks here, you're good to go. Once you're in the right place, look at the top of the task area and find the box on the header of each column. Click that small checkbox in the column header. This header box is designed to select all the tasks currently visible in that column at once. Depending on your layout, columns might represent statuses like to do or in progress, or another grouping such as list, priority, or assignee. The key idea is the same. The header checkbox is your master switch for selecting everything in that column's view. When you click it, you'll see every visible task in that column become selected. If you have filters turned on, only the filtered results will be included, which is perfect when you want to narrow your selection before applying changes. Keep an eye on the selection count so you know exactly how many tasks you're working with. If you notice a mixed or partial checkmark, it usually means some items are already selected or hidden by filters. With the task selected, you'll see the bulk action options appear in your interface. From here, you're set up to apply changes to all selected items at once, including assigning teammates. Before you proceed, double check that you're selecting the correct column and that subtasks are handled the way your team expects based on your current view settings. That's it. Go to your selected space, use the column header checkbox to select everything you need, and you're ready for fast, consistent bulk assignments. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Clickup.